Assalamualaikum guys, my name is Hamza. Today I'm going to show you how you can use this stupid thing done by EU. It's called EU policies for for all publishers. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use consent SDK from AdMob in your app. So if you are an AdMob publisher, you may seen this message from AdMob. We all know Google and other parties always keep busy us in development, so they never give us time. So you can read this message blah 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 blah, and you just click on learn more. So there is a two option you find commonly set user for a technology provider. I make this mistake and before I select this one, so consent SDK not for me. So if you read carefully consent SDK documentation, important, the Google wanted consent for not supported for any other publisher IDs you have commonly used for blah blah blah, attempt to load a blah blah blah. So it's keeps in simple. So in other words, in simple words, they are saying if you are using commonly used set provider at network, there the consent SDK not going to work. So you have to select commonly custom set app provider, and if you are using a mediation networks, you can select also from here. I'm not using any mediation network, so I just have to select AdMob, which is the default. So if you are using any mediation network, you just click on that one and click on done, and the next step will be click on save changing. Okay, make sure you have to you have to change this one. So the next step is you add dependency in your build.gradle. Open your project level build.gradle and paste this line of code. I already have pasted. So now next step is implement your project level, not project level, app level. Open your app level build.gradle and paste this consent SDK. Okay, now sync your project, and that's the project is going to sync. So in the meantime, I'm going to show you some thing which I'm going to do. Basically, I have this app is called audiobook player app. So in this app, I'm going to add the consent SDK. If I click on this one, the player fragment will be open. As you can see, player fragment is open. Sorry for delay, it's emulator, you can see it's a little bit slow. So once this player fragment is open, hopefully there, if there is add from AdMob, and here there will be an ad. So this line of code is responsible to showing ad. Sorry for that. This line of code load ad function is responsible to show ad inside here. So why there is no ad? Let me check. Yeah, there is no ad from AdMob. Fail to load ad 3. So what I'm gonna do is replace this line, this function with consent SDK. So my ad go through from consent SDK and then show to my app. I already have built sample project for you guys. I have find on other websites, so I copy paste in my GitHub and make some changing, appropriate changing. So I'm gonna use this code. You can copy this code as it is in your app and make some changing according to your app. So consent SDK successfully downloaded from GitHub, from repository. So now you have to copy paste inside your on create method. Just copy paste all the code below from on create. Please check consent SDK from this one all the way down, and copy paste in your fragment activity whatever you using. So scroll down, full scroll down. Okay, fully scroll down and make a very big tags so you can find next time. Okay, paste here. My laptop battery is going to die. I have to do fast. So once you have pasted your code, do some imports. Okay, alt enter main activity, not this. We are using fragment, so if you are using fragment you have to use a get application context, get activity basically. So alt enter imports some stuff here, get base context, so we are using get activity, and alt enter again main activity address. I hate this. Alright, almost done here. Next step is create some local variable consent form, and that's it. Almost done. Yeah, now just comment this code. Okay, sorry for not whole method, just comment, just delete it, just delete the show personalized and show non-personalized code from your activity. And now almost done here. Now you just have to paste your AdMob code inside appropriate functions. Now go to your AdMob code and copy paste all the code. Now we do not want to call load ads from onCreate, we want to call check for consent. Okay, just it. Now move down to here. Now my this code is only for show personalized ads, so copy paste here personalized ad and copy paste here non-personalized ad. Now you make only one changing here. What changing will be made when you are going to build your ad request? You have to pass a argument, it's called, we do not want to show personalized ads, so it's basically ad network that add blah 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 blah. So you have to tell the SDK we do not want to show personalized ads. Make sure you do this only in your non-personalized ads installation. So where you building your AdMob ad builder, AdMob ad request, copy paste this code only, ad network, and there we go. That's all. Okay, that's only you think need. Yeah, make sure you have replaced your AdMob application ID with my application ID. So by default maybe there's no ID. Yeah, there is no ID, so you have to replace your AdMob ID. You can find your AdMob ID by going to your AdMob, and this is your basically AdMob. You may find my MacBook is lagging because I have only 5% battery, so my MacBook is trying to save power as much as he can, so their performance is down now. Now you have to do only one thing. Also you have to replace your policy privacy URL with your policy privacy. So I also make a video on this policy privacy. I will put the link in description how you can generate policy privacy URL, so you can copy you can watch the video and make a new policy privacy URL and paste here. So I'm gonna paste mine. If I go blogger, just I'm gonna copy my policy privacy and replace with this one. That's all. So let's run this one app. Alright guys, my device successfully up and running. I just stop the emulator and attach my real device with my PC. So I just want to say something is here. Guys, please make sure always use a test ad. I just accidentally click my own ads. So I'm very sure Google will not be going to block me or give me not any warning, because I always use sorry for that always use the test ad. So I successfully verify that my today earning has have not updated yet, so it means I'm safe. So but you should always use a test ad. So let me show you. So I successfully run the concern SDK. So as you can see, there's nothing change, but there is a changing. If you want to test your changing, you have to successfully integrated SDK or not. You just have to call for a test. So what you are going to do is basically open SDK documentation again, Android consent SDK, and give us some parameters, so you will be sure your SDK is running. So if you open your documentation, concern SDK documentation, you will be find some useful methods inside here. Is called I think testing. Yeah, testing. In testing phase part, copy just this one and add here. Now you just have to do some changing here, is replace your test ID by your own device test ID. So get activity, this is not necessarily a test ID, but is best practice. So device test ID, device player fragment. Let me increase some brightness for this. Yeah, it's better now. Player fragment dot this dot. I have not found it. Test ID, where the hell is it go? I think I have to manually copy paste. Yeah, I have to manually copy paste because I have not expressed constant so far. So you have to give your test ID. Once this test ID is given, now last thing is you have to tell concern SDK I am located in EU. So debugging get activity and geographic debugging EU area. Now this is a thing we are waiting. So guys, if you have any question, let me know in the comment box. And I also want to tell you, I running some profile, Instagram profile is called coding jokes time, where I'll daily post coding jokes, etc, funny stuff. So if you want to follow me, you can follow me. I put the link in description. You can like also my page if you want to listen hear I read coding jokes. So it's good if you read about coding yours. I also enjoy that. So as you can see, once you added concern SDK, is now it's showing me something is like that. You continue to blah blah blah. The Three Musketeers. Let me stop this. Okay, this is LibreOffice. Sorry for that. So you can continue. See now, no ads. See is on. If you click on this one, it will be called our this method, show non-personalized ad method. This one. So if you have the only method difference is here, we add just tell AdMob adapter we do not user do not want to see personalized ad. So inside personalized ad, I'm just returning non-personalized ads 1. That's it. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, let me know in comment box. And last time, I just want to recap what I just did. What you have to do is just inside your on create, where you are loading basically your is on create view. On create view. If you are in activity, you have to do this on create. Just instead of load your ad, just check for consent and copy paste all codes and replace your AdMob ID and publisher ID with your own ID. Now last step is post code, show personalized ads, post your AdMob code inside here, whatever you're running ads, reward video ads or banner ads. So inside on non-personalized ad, you just have to change this line of code, add only one new line of code, add network extra bundle, and tell to adopter we do not want to show personalized ad. So only non-personalized ad should be shown to user. That's it. So I put the link in description. You can copy all relevant things. So if you have any question, let me know. I will be reply as soon as I can.